Man, I personally reviewed the call with my customer support agent, Robert here, and honestly, I don't even feel like working on your devices. You just gave him a headache for no reason. There's no reason to give my customer support people any kind of headache. But let's go. Look at these devices that he sent. I already posted the first video of the iCharger. Let's see what's wrong with it. Not only that, your box came with bugs. Come on, man. And look at this trash. I can't even plug it in because the freaking wire melted over here. And I have to fix the freaking connector first before I even start looking at it. That's too dirty, man. That's too dirty. From the phone call and this system, I really don't want to do it, but I'm going to do it for the TikTok. Kind enough of him to supply the charger and cable with it. Look at it. It's burnt to a crisp. This is going to mess up my equipment. Well, look at that. It powers on. And it's making my DC supply do some funky stuff. It keeps on spiking. It keeps on spiking. Alright, so I connected a battery here to channel 1, and it says that there's no battery connected, so channel 1 is definitely bad. The settings here are all wonky. You don't ignore the capacity. You must select here so that it can tell you exactly, you know, so it can regulate the amperes, man. So I regulate at 1800 for one cell. Alright, so we're trying the second channel here. And channel 2 seems to be working here. It's just gonna go up and keep on sucking up some amperes. It's at 2 amps at 4 volts, 1 amp at 14 volts here, which makes sense if you do the math. 3 amp charging though is a little bit dangerous. That's why this thing has blown up. You're just fucking with the settings and you don't know what the hell you're doing at all. So I disconnected it here and let's take this thing apart and see what's going on with the first channel. Exactly, overcurrent on the channel and it blew out the positive. So now we have to replace the fuse. We're gonna harvest it from the one he sent in for part. Alright, I harvested them over here. Alright, we just removed them from the one where... Believe it or not, the ones that I harvested, I didn't test before. I tested them right now just to make sure, and they don't work. They're open line. It's this guy's specialty to overpower and overrun these. Let's test these. These were also open line, and these are also open line for the main. This guy is just running these things to the ground. I went to my donor pile here. Let's grab these. Okay, and just install these over here. Let's go put it together and test. Alright, it still powers on. That's a good sign. Okay, so now it kind of sees the battery being plugged in. However, you see what's going on here? It's going in and out, in and out. The regulator is blown on here too. Let's open this thing apart one more time. And I'll be damned. 3 MOSFETs, 1 buck converter, 1 regulator, and a few small SMD capacitors, and I think we got it. Yes, we got it. Channel 1 is working.